In this video, I will be sharing with you how to pronounce the word Volóyojan from its origin, Khurajhaac's crew Volóyojan. Khurajhaac is Curtis in English, and it's the translation in Oy'Nissh language, and crew Volóyojan is the pattern. It's a pattern that features the river coastline for Jamaicans when they go picnicking or swimming. For example, my brother Curtis Birch from Montego Bay. So I designed this pattern in the Oy'Nissh language for him as I do his name. So this video now features what the pattern looks like and how the words are pronounced. Khurajhaac crew Volóyojan. Khurajhaac crew Volóyojan. Khurajhaac crew Volóyojan. Khurajhaac crew Volóyojan. 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 Volojjer. 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 Volojja. 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 Volojja.